dinner, we're gonna make a cheese tortellini soup.
Tortellini soup.
He's my little helper. So we're gonna use 2 packs of cheese tortellini and then organic chicken stock. You could use broth, whatever. I'm using this, and I'm not sure exactly how many I'm gonna use yet, but this is the pot that I'm gonna put it in. So we're just gonna start with the chicken broth and let it come to a boil, and then we'll add our tortellini.
Maybe not anytime he bakes. Maybe can't he lie? When I make these the time, it turns out with tortellini. She can't beat the kids. Turn out she does okay. Okay, she's not caged. Maybe she doesn't make like a choice. Maybe she can't. Maybe I don't make sense. Maybe this keeps disappearing. It always keeps disappearing. And I can't wait to love it. And I really like it. And I like it. Of course, I like it. And maybe she doesn't. I'm trying to see. Maybe she's like back everyone. Maybe Tomato. Don't you make my don't. I have to go. Maybe Kate won't. I have to go right now. Oops, one way. Get away. Maybe she can pick.
Okay, now that it's boiling, we're gonna add in the tortellini. Try not to get burned by the water because it's super hot. All right, we're just gonna give that a stir. And then we're gonna let it just cook and boil for 7-ish minutes. I usually do about 8 or 9 really. So about 8 or 9 minutes, we're gonna just let that cook and then it will be ready, and it's like so delicious, you guys. You're gonna love it. Yummy. Okay guys, so this is what the soup looks like when it's all done. It's absolutely delicious, and here we go. So if you make this, let me know in the comments and tell me how addicting it is, because I love it. Is that good? Pressie's having cheese tortellini. You like it? Mmm. Yummy. You dropped some. Is that good? Yum, 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 yum.